G'day there, Divergence Traders. It is 12:05. It's lunchtime. Yes, indeed. So we had a very crappy day here, as far as I'm concerned. There's no divergence on the buy side to buy it, just to sell it. Okay, and look what would happen if you fucking sold it. Let me just show you that first. So you got higher highs, right? And here's the divergence, yeah. So if you sold it here, okay, well, you may have got your 1-to-1. That's it. So if you got in here, the stop would be 92 ticks. Yeah, you would have got the 92 ticks if you would have sold it. Then we have a double bottom here, but there's no divergence here to buy it. So because it was such, all the way from down here, we opened up right here, okay? And we came down. I don't like to trade at that time. It's just too risky. And then it came back up, did its little dip. There was no divergence here to buy it, right here. No divergence to buy it. And then we had there's no divergence here to sell it. Okay, the divergence was created over here. Higher highs, and right here. Here, I'll put it on there. Shit, damn it. Okay, like I said, you got 92 ticks in that one. Then we turned bullish again right here. Okay, and we have a beautiful double bottom here. Perfect, but it's not divergent here. So if you did any trades, it would be lower close, buy it, up it goes. And another one, lower close, buy it, up it goes. And that's it. And then over here, just grinded and it wasn't fun. I was trading it. So today, because it's been such a, you see yesterday how fucking much it moved and how fast and how wide it moved? Now look at today. Look at the shit today. Anyway, because it didn't move and it just fucking him and hawed all over the place. I made enough for lunch. That's about fucking it today on the NASDAQ. Yeah. And that's it for the NASDAQ. That's a 2-minute too. Let's see, what did the mess do? Did it make a mess? Oh yeah, it made a mess. It made a fucking mess. But I wasn't trading this. I was trading the fucking NASDAQ. So there was a divergence right here. Let me show you. Okay, right in here. Low and lower low, right? Buy it in here and up it go. So you would have bought it right on the opening of this candle and it went up and you would have made your points. Then we had high and higher high. Right? And it went down a little bit. Yeah, you got some points. And then, yeah, we could call this, yeah, we can call it, we can call this a double bottom. And as I told you, I'm not perfect, you're not perfect. It doesn't have to touch right here to be perfect, to qualify. It doesn't. Okay? And anyway, if you would have got in on this one, you made some points right here. And now it's just turned into a side shit show is what it's turned into. Let's go and check out now the excuse me, the MetaTrader. Here is the NASDAQ 5-minute. Where's the divergence to buy it? Actually, hold on. Oh, actually, there's a trade here. I didn't see it. I was looking at the fucking 2-minute chart. I wasn't looking at my MetaTrader. So I didn't see it. So it's like this. See? It's pointing up. This one pointing down. You would have got long right in here. And it went up 80 ticks, 80 points, whatever you want to call it, mode Z. And we had a couple lower close, buy it, up it goes a little bit. Not up it goes, just a little bit. Here's another one, lower close, buy it, and it went up a little bit. And that's it. Now they're fucking selling it off now. Now they're probably going to do a big dump right back down here. Who fucking knows? That'll be the move. When I've given up on trading it for today. So that's the Dow, or I mean the NASDAQ. Here's the S&P. Oh yeah, it's just a fucking scratchy. It's scribble. It's fucking scribble. It's nothing to it. It's just scribble. And the Dow, oh, look at the Dow. The Dow did a fucking trend. Well, la-dee-da. Yeah, la-dee-da. There's no divergence to sell it from up here on the 5-minute. There's no divergence right here. If we had a little blue mountain to go to here. No, there's no divergence here either. Hidden divergence to sell it downward. There's no fucking divergence there. Motherfuckers. What, the pound? Oh, look at the pound. We had a high and a higher high. And, no, there's no fucking divergence to sell it here. All that we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is higher close, sell it, down it goes. Oh, I'm fucking using the wrong doodah. I'm sorry. Right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Oh, look at that, eh? Just right there in the opening of this candle. Sell it. It went down a little bit and then came up and freaked you out. And yeah. And then we had a hook down right there. There's the buy fake, closed above the 2 moving averages. Then the next candle, they smacked it down. On the opening of this candle, this big candle right here is where you would have sold it and you would have done good. Then we had another one, okay, right here. Higher close, sell it on the opening of this one, and down it goes. So there's your 2 trades. Sell here, boom, take the money. Sell here with 0 drawdown, boom, take the money. And there's another one and another one, but I would not fuck with those. Why would I fuck with these up here? Because they're close to the top. They're near to the top. They're not at the fucking top. They're near it. Okay? And the direction changed here. With the big smackdown of this candle and the 5 crossing down below the 7. So you knew, like right here, you fucking knew here. Hey, here's my higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then again, here's a higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then a hook down, and it all worked out. Here's even another one right here, like I pointed out. So you had 4 good fucking trades there on the pound dollar. It doesn't really go that far. Let's see, what did the best one give us maximum? See, only 12 pips. 12 lousy pips. Oh, I wish the pound would move again. Oh, all the fucking banks they're all fucked. They're all fucked up. Okay. They're having difficulties, so what can you do? Here's another one, no divergence. This is the euro dollar. Here again, there's no, well, there is, but here, let me show you. Where is that? It's right here to here. Right here from this blue doodah. Down here, whatever. This one's going up. This one's going down. It's hidden divergence. And the trade would be to sell it in here. How far did it go down? Well, the euro gave promise. It went down 37 pips today from the entry point. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, let's look at the pound yen. Oh, very. Look at that shit, man. Oh, wrong pipe, wrong pipe. Shit. Don't you just hate it? You take a drink of something. Water is not too bad. If you drank some pickle juice, oh, you're in pain. Oh, motherfucker, right in the center of your chest. Don't you just hate it, though? You take a drink and it goes down the wrong fucking tube? Oh, yeah. Anyway, there's nothing here. I ain't gonna mark fucking jack shit on here. Well, I'll mark one. I will mark one trade where it's standing out at us saying, hey, yeah, this is a fucking trade. You know, right there you would have got in, or right here, wherever. Yeah, it only went up 27 pips. Euro yen. Oh, Euro yen is cleaner looking, much better. Just, you know, runs up and down. Okay, Euro yen. Double bottom right there. And from there to there. And you would have got long. And here, it's also a sell fake hookup right here. See it? Ding. People were selling. Boom, they took it up. Here's another one right here. It's pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. And it did do. I can't talk. It did go up. Too many fucking D's, man. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Okay, right here. This is Euro yen, I think, right? Yeah, 27 pips it went up to here. It was not too bad. There was no divergence to sell it. Okay? No, nothing there. Then we have oil. Okay? Oh, look at the oil. Back down again. See, lower lows. This side's bigger on this side than this side, so no divergence to buy it up here. See that? See here, high and higher high, but this part of the mountain needs to be lower than this one. So there was no divergence to sell here. However, we did have divergence here. And you would have got long in here. Right in there you would have got long. Why wouldn't we get long here? Oh, there's a reason. Went up 38 pips. Or 38 ticks. It's oil. We're looking at oil. But look at this. 3 amigos. 1, 2, 3. And down like this. Okay? And down it went. 54 ticks right now. And on the way down, what did we have? We had a beautiful higher close. Sell it. And down it goes. I wouldn't know if I would do this one. I wouldn't. I just wouldn't. It worked out, but I wouldn't have done it because you always need to sell near up here, guys and gals. You need to sell up here near the top. You need to sell up here that it just changed direction. The 5 crossing down below the 7. See, the pink or purple or whatever line is the 7, and the white line is the 5. EMA. Okay. So, and right in here, there was a trade, but I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have. What did gold give us? Something good? Oh, fuck. Is that the 15? No. See that? I click on the 15. It's still trying to gather the data to go to that chart. Not responding. Yeah, fuck. Look at this. There's no divergence here. Yeah, there's nothing. Well, there's one of these. Higher close, sell it, and eventually, eventually down it goes. Okay, so that's for that. Now let's take a look at all right, so let's take a look at this now. We're talking about fast track trading, baby. Okay, they have 4 different accounts you can choose from: the Rally, the Daytona, the Grand Prix, and the Formula One. Now, like I told you, you got 20 micros you can trade, or two contracts. Cons. End of day trailing, right? End of day, not daily, where you really get fucked because it's always right underneath your ass, creeping up, ready to fuck you when you have this, you know, this trailing drawdown. So they don't have scaling. Okay, you can't scale. You can't add on to a losing trade. I guess that's what that means. And you have a consistency rule, just like some of the other ones. Okay, but okay, it's a 20% consistency rule. 20%, only 20%, not 30 or 50, just 20. Okay, but one sec. So anyway, like I said the other day, if you want to check out Fast Track Trading, here is the link. The link is down in the description area, okay? And like I said, this has not changed. There's no recurring monthly subscriptions. There's no, and once you get the account and you hit the target, they charge you an activation fee. There's no activation fees. You buy the account outright, right from the start. You pay the one-time fee, and right then and there, it's instant funding. So whatever you bought, you got right away. You can start trading it. Okay, and if you like other ones, you can trade. They're starting to let people trade the news now. You can trade the news. Okay. But what's really good is there's no commissions, because if you trade a lot, and believe me, I know there's a lot of you gambling revenge traders. I understand that because I have that habit too sometimes. Okay, so I'm not saying, oh, I'm perfect. I don't ever get mad and revenge trade. I do, and it's something I wish I could get rid of. Okay, but anyway, the fucking commissions, you do 30, 40, 50, 60 trades, add up the commissions, man. And the commissions on most of these prop firms is much higher probably than your regular broker, futures broker that you trade at. Like I pay 0 commissions, but I pay a clearing fee, right? Where I trade. They have their own clearing. So I don't want to mention any names, but yeah. So I pay clearing fees and all the other regular fees, the NFA fee, the fucking this fee, the fucking that fee. I pay all those fees, okay? And I don't pay commissions. If I did, oh my God, it would be bad. So on here, you don't pay, I don't think you pay any fees. You just pay to get in and out of the trade. But once, you see, how it works is after you get 5 payouts, then they put you on a live account. Once you go on a live account, I'm sure you're going to pay all the fees involved. But hey, for now, you could much easier get to your target. Not that I'm telling you to buy anything, sell anything, or whatever, because I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm just saying, if there's no commissions and fees at first, it's a whole lot easier to get to reach your target. And that's it. So anyway, if you're interested in fast track trading, which I believe is the best, according to all their rules and fees and structure of everything, I think they're the best one. But hey, I could be wrong, right? You never know. But if you don't like where you are now and you're paying all these fees, I think you owe it to yourself, especially if you're a long time prop firm trader. You owe it to yourself to give this a try. So go and check out Fast Track Trading. The link is right here. Copy it, remember it, memorize it, write it down right now. Okay, and yeah, and go check out Fast Track Trading. Get yourself an account. Even just try the, you know, just for the beginning, just try the 25K account, right? That's what I'm going to try if I decide to try it down the road. I'm not touching it right now. Okay, that's how honest I am, because they don't have Ninja Trader there. So they're a brand new company. They have growing pains. Believe me, the place is swamped because all these traders want to go there now because of all these positive things right here. See it? No subscription, no fees, instant funding, trading the news allowed, no commissions. You can see, man. You know, even the 5 day, challenge where you only need to get like 5%, I believe it is, each day of the account. Like, that's even better than all the other ones. They have bigger targets, and you have to trade for longer, 10 days, 15 days, whatever. So there is so many, beneficial things to this prop firm than to all the other ones, in my opinion, anyway. So go check it out. FastTrackTrading.net /referral equals 1323. Go and put that in your browser and click on it and check it out. Anyway, this is Jason once again saying thanks for watching, thanks for listening, good luck, and good trading.